Hi guys, this is Disha. I welcome you all to the channel Medical Disha. I have scored 668 marks in NEET out of 720 in 2021 in my first attempt. I have scored a perfect 360 in bio. I was receiving doubts and queries from many students that how they should study bio, what should be their approach in bio to score maximum marks. I personally feel that since competition is increasing day by day, physics is getting tougher and tougher, we need a subject like bio in which we can score maximum. So at least a score of 350 to 360 in bio has become must for all the students. So in this video, I will be sharing few tips which all of you can use to improve their marks in bio and fetch maximum marks from this subject. So the very first one everybody tells that is NCERT. NCERT is the book from where maximum questions will be asked. And if you analyze the previous year papers from 2016, you will be surprised that every question, each and every question is from NCERT. I have shown you my bio NCERT many a times and I am even providing the scanned copies of my bio NCERT. So while reading this book, we should read it in a very smart way. अगर हम उसे फर्स्ट टाइम रीड कर रहे हैं, वी शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ पेंसिल विद अस ताकि हम इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स को अंडरलाइन कर सके. एंड व्हेन यू रीड इट यू विल फाइंड एवरीथिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. एनसीईआरटी की किसी भी लाइन, किसी भी डायग्राम के नीचे जो लिखा होता है, किसी भी टेबल, किसी भी चीज़ से क्वेश्चन बन के आ सकता है एग्जाम में. So we need a smart approach to read NCERT book. So during the first reading, we will underline what we have read. During the second reading, we will review what we have read. And this is the book which you will have to read at least 5 to 6 times before your exam. And during the last days of my preparation, that is 2 months before, I used to read this book almost every day. And it is very essential also. So ये तो सभी को पता है कि NCERT पढ़नी है, बार बार पढ़नी है, NCERT से ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे. But the biggest problem that all the students face is how to remember what is in the NCERT. NCERT को हमने पढ़ा, but it is true that 80% of what we have read, we just tend to forget it. It is quite normal, happens with all the students. So the major challenge in front of us is to remember everything which is written in NCERT. कई बार ऐसे होता है कि हम एनसीईआरटी से चैप्टर पढ़ते हैं, पर जब भी हम उसका टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करते हैं तब हम भूल जाते हैं. वी आर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल इट. सभी बच्चे, जितने भी बच्चे नीट दे रहे हैं, वो सभी बच्चे एनसीईआरटी पढ़ के जाएंगे, बट विनर विल बी द वन हु विल बी एबल टू रिकॉल व्हाट ही हैज़ रेड. Okay, so remembering everything and recalling at the right point becomes very important, and the only solution to this is practicing as many MCQs as you can. MCQ practice बहुत strong होनी चाहिए. We should practice maximum MCQs. एंड कई स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि MCQs कैसे प्रैक्टिस करें या किस बुक से करें. So I have recently discovered a very nice app, and that app is called MemoNeat. I have discovered this app. I have reviewed it for 2 days and I found that maximum every line of NCERT is converted into a question here. You have different types of question, topic based, and they are covering everything of NCERT. I really found that app very useful. So before going into the MemoNeat app, let me tell you that 90%, that is 85 questions of NEET 2021 came directly from MemoNeat. So it becomes very important, and they have analyzed it and proved it on their YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. MemoNeat has 15,000 plus questions taken from each and every line of NCERT. They have converted the diagrams, chapter summary and everything of NCERT into questions. This app, MemoNeat, has a very interactive interface that anyone who has the capacity to study for 30 minutes in a stretch will end up studying more than 1 hour. And this is experimentally proven. Until the date, 45,000 users have practiced more than 12 million questions in MemoNeet. So if you are the person who tend to forget NCERT bio within a couple of days, or who is lazy or bored at reading bio NCERT or practicing MCQs, then this app is for you. You must go and check it out and you will really find it very helpful. MemoNeet also has an I repeat technology. If you study a question, it will ring notification for you to practice the same question first day, third day, fifth day and eighth day. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन. हमने कई लोगों को सुना है वो स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन टर्म यूज करते हैं, बट दिस इज द ऐप विच हैज अप्लाइड इट. ये ऐप आपको स्पेस्ड रेपिटेशन तरीके से पढ़ना सिखाएगा. एंड इफ यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन एंड गेट इट रॉन्ग, देन the app will ask you that question many a times until you get it correct. And the cost is also very nominal. They charge you just 1,399 for 1 year subscription, and if you use the code bio20 you will get it for 1,099. So I hope that now you have understood the right strategy to score maximum marks in bio. The first one was read NCERT multiple times, read it again and again. Second one was practicing a lot of MCQs, and you can always use the MemoNeet app for it. It's really great. And these two things, that is reading NCERT, practicing MCQs, will really fetch you amazing marks in NEET bio. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.